Hey guys, so I got a couple of budget targets here that I'm going to be shooting, and the rifle I'm going to be using is my Savage 64F. And when I picked this up back in 2008, this was around the 90 bone area, and it has a Simmons TAC 22 scope, and that was around 20. So it doesn't get much more budget than that. So I'm going to use the same intro for both of these videos. We got one for it's a collaboration with Boomstick and Long Rifle, and then this one is Country Rimfires. So I guess you'll know which target I'm shooting by the title of the video. So let's get this done. All right, so let's go over the Boomstick Long Rifle budget rifle challenge here. I believe it's 1 point per shot. Yeah, because it's an 18-point target. So we got one here that's obviously outside. This one here, most of the bullet is on the outside of the ring, so I believe it has to pretty much be inside of the ring. So that's one. We got another one here. Got all three inside the ring here, so that's pretty darn good. This is a goose egg. Got two inside the ring here, and just one here. So you got 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Only 8 hits out of 18. Not good at all. So, oh well, it is what it is. All right, guys. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.